This is a short video to show you how to load your MyMath resources through ConnectEd into your Canvas math course. In order to get access to your math resources, you're going to need to be designated as a teacher of record in PowerSchool. So within your math course in Canvas, you want to create an assignment by clicking the plus assignment button. And you can name that assignment whatever you want, MyMath. This is the place that you're going to go every time you want to load up your MyMath resources. So I gave it the name MyMath. I'm going to come down a little bit, and you'll notice here that typically Canvas automatically populates to online, but you want to click into this drop down, and there's an external tool option, and you're going to want to find the ConnectEd external link by dragging this window open and using the scroll in the inner window. You're going to click into ConnectEd and select. After you do that, you're going to need to save and publish. Now what you see here on my screen is that it's not available because I'm not a teacher of record in PowerSchool, but what you're going to see is you're going to see Load MyMath, and you're going to click into that Load MyMath box, and you will be able to access all the MyMath resources. Let me know if you have any other questions.